Special thanks to our friends at smartgun.com, aka BioFire, who were nice enough to send me this custom ammo box. Has my name, has their name, and inside of here I got a dope smartgun.com t-shirt. I also got a BioFire Yeti, BioFire pop socket, and BioFire stickers, all in my custom BioFire ammo box. Thanks to BioFire for sending me these products. Check out smartgun.com to see more about their smart handgun that can only be used with the facial recognition and fingerprint set up with the handgun. See you in the next one. Deuces.